Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and there is nothing that I love more than finding a dress that I can wear in so many different ways. This happens to be my favorite look for this dress by Gal. It is so lightweight and you can barely feel the fabric against your skin. I love the color. This beautiful blue aqua combined with the tan really makes it so you can mix it with a lot of different colors. When you order, make sure you go by the size chart. I ordered this in the medium and it is exactly as the sizing chart said it would be, but I did not check it first and I was expecting it to be smaller and shorter. But it turns out that I'm really glad that it is this nice flowy size and it is actually midi length beyond my knees so that I can wear this through the summer into the fall. As you can see, this waist is actually nice and roomy, so it would be great as a pool cover, or if you're someone that just likes a nice flowy look, then it is perfect for you. You can easily cinch it up by adding a cardigan or a belt if you want it to be a little flowy but a little fitted. I'll admit sometimes it's nice to be able to just let it all hang out. I was thinking this would also be great for pregnant women and also nursing moms, and then you could keep wearing it because it's so versatile. I had so much fun putting on a little fashion show. I hope you have enjoyed watching it, and I hope you'll consider adding this dress by Gal to your closet. And that's just my point of view.